teacher of Standard 4A, Miss Merlin.
Good morning, parents.
I have
And
Mrs. Snehal D'Souza, who is the class teacher of 4B.
Good morning, dear parents.
Very good morning.
A very warm welcome to all of you. Together, Miss Merlin, Miss Snehal, and I, that is Fiona Matris, Mrs. Fiona Matris, work together for the betterment of your child. So we begin with Miss Merlin.
good morning and welcome, dear parents, to our first PTA meeting. Let us join our hands and feel the presence of the Lord as we begin with a short prayer. Almighty God, we praise and thank you for this new day. Thank you for the gift of life, and especially for keeping us safe during these difficult times. We come to you this morning asking for your guidance, wisdom, and support as we begin this meeting. Help us to work together as a team and encourage each other to do our best. Fill us with your grace of mutual understanding as we go about this academic year. Help us to be positive in our attitude and work together for the betterment of the children entrusted in our care. We make this prayer in your loving name. Amen.
We all are really grateful for the gift of another day in our life and for all the countless blessings that the Lord has given us even in these tough times. So let us all praise and thank Him through this hymn.
Our thought for the day is, alone we can do so little. Together we can do so much. This powerful quote by Helen Keller tells us that when we work together on a common goal, we can achieve things beyond our imagination. So parents, together with your help, support and cooperation, let us move ahead to make this academic year fruitful for our children. Parents, kindly take note of the following points. Please do not copy any points. We will be sharing the PDF with you later.
Dear parents, as we share the points, if you have any queries, you can type it in the chat box, or at the end, you can ask your questions the last 10 minutes. Do not interrupt in the middle. First point, check the school app regularly. Refresh the app daily. Kindly delete matter from your phone and keep enough memory to receive schoolwork. Very often, parents, you don't receive the link or you are having a problem. That is because your memory is full. If you delete some things from your phone, then you'll have enough space to receive School Connect work. Contact Ms. Pallavi for fees or any difficulty with the app only for fees, and if you're having any problem with the School Connect app. Attendance will be marked on a daily basis. If your child is absent, keep the teacher informed about the same by sending a leave note on the weekend submission. Now, in the month of June, there are some children who have been absent. You have to write a leave note on a piece of paper, click a picture and upload it during the submission. If you're having any problem with uploading your work, then please contact Ms. Pallavi for the same. Written work to be done neatly in MR script. Use a blue ink or gel pen for writing. In your textbook, in the child's textbook, she will write with a pencil, but in a notebook, she will write with a blue gel pen or ink pen.
Parents are requested to guide your child to work independently and practice reading. Parents, it's a request to you. Kindly encourage your children to read their textbook daily. As we are sending work, let them read the textbook and learn the spellings every day. Also, to complete their work independently and encourage them to be screen disciplined. Make sure, parents, when we have virtual meets, that your child is already ready with her textbooks. Make sure she's dressed up neatly. She's sitting at one place, not moving around. So tell her to make all these arrangements before she attends her virtual meet. Kindly follow the timetable for all your virtual meets. In case there is no class, a message will be sent to you for the same. Parents, whenever there is a virtual meet, you know that already the timetable is given to you on the School Connect app. Kindly follow the same timetable. In case there is any change or there is no class, a message will be sent one day prior so that you are informed about it. Also, make sure that you only follow the links that are sent by your class teacher. Please do not join any class like 4C joining 4B. So make sure you are following the links only sent by your class teacher and join your own class. Dress up neatly for all the virtual meets. It is compulsory to wear a red hairband and red ribbons. Parents, kindly note it is not compulsory to wear uniform. If they have, they can wear. If they have outgrown it, no problem, but make sure that they are dressed up neatly. No strappy dresses or sleeveless. Make sure they are dressed up neatly, properly. Make sure their hair is tied up. No loose plaits or ponytails, and red hairband and red ribbons are compulsory. Besides virtual meets, videos and PDFs will be sent. Parents, as we are already taking virtual meets, on the other days you will receive videos and PDFs. Evaluation will be done on all your submissions, oral work, MCQ 1 and MCQ 2. Submissions. For submissions, you will click pictures of work done in your books and upload only what has been asked. No extra work to be sent. Parents, already a video is being shared with you on Saturday, how to submit your assignments. Kindly follow those instructions, especially for the new admissions, and the parents who are having problem with it can follow the steps given in the video and try and upload your child's work on the day it has been asked. Please do not send any extra work. No extra pages, only what lesson has been asked. Only send that, not anything extra. Submissions will also be kept open on on Thursday, Friday, Saturday and Sunday. So this will be the weekend submission. So you can submit your work on the days that have been told. Clear instructions will be given as to what has to be sent. So kindly send only that work. You can also send your queries.
Your graded subjects are computer, PT, karate, singing, value education, and religious education. Now, parents, value education and religious education lessons will begin from the month of July. We will be sending you lessons, recorded lessons, only on 2 Fridays in the month, starting from July, for the first term. And in the second term, we will try to have virtual classes for these subjects as well. PT, karate, singing, computer, virtual meets will be taken every alternate weeks. So children, parents, one day it will be PT, the other week it will be karate. So in case for any reason the teacher is not going to take her class, she will be sending you a message in advance. Marathi virtual meet will be conducted every alternate Fridays. For this month, we had it both the Fridays, but from the month of July, we will be having it every alternate Fridays. But videos and PDFs will also be sent for Marathi as well. Parents who would like to sponsor towards fees, internet pack, old phones, or in any other way, can contact the class teacher through the School Connect app. Now kindly take note of the marking system for these subjects. Now, as you know, we will be having 2 terms, first term and second term. So our marking system will be for English, Math and Marathi. It will be 100 marks each. For EVS 1 and EVS 2, it is combined. So combined will be 100. So it will be 50 and 50. So the marking system will be activity 10 marks, practical 10 marks, project 10 marks, assignment 1, 5 marks, assignment 2, 5 marks, orals 10 marks, MCQ 1, 20 marks, and MCQ 2, 30 marks. So we will be following this marking system. So we will be sending you the PDF for you to have an idea of it. So when we ask for submissions, kindly do it on time, as your child is being marked for every submission. It goes as activity, practical, project, and assignments. So please, parents, see that your child is submitting her assignments on time. Now, if you have any queries, we will try to answer them. You can either put them in the chat box and we will answer them, or you can even unmute yourself and ask questions.
Ma'am, may I please?
Yes, tell me.
Good morning. I'm Naina's mother here.
Yes.
Apologies for coming this day when I'm conducting my online classes. I just had a query. When will the children be having online or virtual week for math? Because now since they have a little geometrical figures and quite a lot which is advanced.
We will be having classes as well for math. So don't worry, we will be having. So we've just started the virtual classes. We have begun with English. We've gone into EVS. We've gone into grammar, and we will also be having math. We will be explaining. We'll be revising. So don't worry, they will not miss out on anything. But the lesson that was sent also is very clearly explained. So I don't think they will have any problem understanding the concepts. But still, we will definitely be having virtual classes for maths as well.
Okay. Thank you.
Anyone else who does not want to ask any queries can at least put it in the chat box if you're feeling shy to ask us.
Ma'am, I want to ask about my daughter Roselle. Actually, she had attended online classes, but there was some net issue and I was not at home. But she was crying that I didn't attend like in the month of June.
When was this?
I think last month, end of the month, because she was
Yes,
crying.
she informed me regarding the same. So I had taken a note of it. She
Because,
told me there was some network issue, so she could not attend the class.
But then she'll be marked absent or what, ma'am?
Yes, that day she wasn't there, so yes, she will be marked absent.
But if network issue, then ma'am, like I'm also a working mother. Like I don't know. Then when I reached home, she started crying and telling that, "Mama, I didn't attend because there was a network issue."
Ma'am, it's difficult to mark present when the child is not there. Then there'll be so many of them telling us that we have network issues.
Yes.
So we can't
Yes,
make an
yes.
exception. We do
Okay.
understand. No, we
Yes,
do
yes,
understand that she has
Yes.
missed it. You explained to us the teacher also. The teacher also understands, but very difficult to mark her present. But
Okay,
you can take down what she has missed out. That way we can help out.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you so much, ma'am.
You're welcome.
Welcome.
Anyone else?
Good morning, ma'am.
Yes.
I'm a Ritika's mom.
Yes,
Just tell me about the notebooks, how we have to classwork and rough book what we have to write properly.
We have given you notes to be done in the classwork book, and we have explained what has to be done. From lesson 1 onwards, everything has to be done in the classwork book. All the notes have to be done. The maths has to be solved. The earlier only rough book work was the number work what we had done for revision. That we said do in the rough book. Rest everything else, follow the notes given and try to maintain your classwork book.
Okay.
Lesson 1, starting from lesson 1, try to maintain your classwork book.
But each subject have each notebook, not a
Yes.
grade note.
No, we had explained it to the children as well. We have got 4 notebooks, one for math, one for English. English also, if you want, you can divide it into 2, literature and grammar separately.
Okay.
Then we have one for Marathi and one for EVS 1 and EVS 2. That is a combined subject. So you can divide that book as well into half.
Okay.
One half for EVS 1, one half for EVS 2. Now you have got 2 extra books that you can keep for valuation, religious education, and one you just keep it with you in case you need it for anything, or you can also use it for rough. I think they'll have got 6 books.
Yeah,
So yes. So you can just keep it with you in case you have a book for rough. You can use any book. Parents, don't waste pages. You can use your last year's books to use as rough just now, and you can, as well as you can start the new book. It's up to you.
But computer don't have a book.
Computer does not have a notebook. They have a textbook, and the teacher will be doing it in the textbook itself.
Okay. English and EVS we have to divide only, bus. Baki all
Yes.
single subjects have a single.
Yes.
Yeah. Thank you.
You're welcome. Anyone else with any queries?
Good morning, ma'am.
Yes.
Yeah, please carry on. This is Arya's father. Hello.
Yes.
Can you hear me?
Yes,
Yes,
we can.
hear.
Yeah, ma'am, whatever schedule you have given for collecting the textbooks and notebooks, unfortunately, we all were out of station. After that, I attended that choice book stall, but they told now you will get from the schools. So what is the criteria or any SOPs to get that textbooks?
We will, you have not collected the books, right? So they have to collect from school. So you can go to school and try and collect it from there. Or we will
Okay.
also ask the management and tell you, get back to you regarding it. Your child's name is?
Arya Sanjay Yadav.
Arya Yadav. Okay, we'll get back to you regarding it.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Okay. Or any other parents also, if you have missed out on collecting the books, we will get back to you and tell you how to get it.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes.
Ma'am, we have received only 4 notebooks.
Yes, we have actually asked for 4 notebooks from Choice Books stall.
No,
And I think she has given 6 to some. So if you have got 4 notebooks,
only 4 notebooks, ma'am. We have received only 4 notebooks.
yes, we had asked for 4
Correct.
notebooks for the 4 subjects. That's correct. But to some parents, she has given 6. That is why we explained. But if you have any other book, you can do your validation in that
Okay,
book.
ma'am.
It's
It's
fine.
okay. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Ma'am, in Marathi the textbook, you have to use pencil or pen.
All the notebooks you have to write in pen.
Textbook, miss. Marathi textbook.
Textbook only in pencil. That we have told the children. The textbooks you will write only in pencil, but in your notebooks you can write in pen. You have to write in pen.
Marathi miss mentioned that to write with pen in Marathi
Okay, then
textbook.
follow the instructions she gives you for her Marathi subject.
Okay, thank you, miss.
Hello, hello, ma'am. This is Ovi Tomare's mom. Am I audible?
Yes, we can hear you.
Yes, ma'am. I just have one request. If you would suggest us some practice books for mathematics, it will be grateful because kids are sitting idle at home and they want some more practice in the mathematics. Can you just suggest us some books?
We can. You can pick up a workbook also, which you get in the market. I think any bookstore will have a workbook. Or once we begin, we will be giving them more homework.
Okay.
So we will be giving them exercises. We have just started, so that's why we've not given them too much of exercises. But as we move ahead, we will be giving them more exercises, so it will keep them occupied.
Okay. Thank you so much.
Yes. There's someone who would like to submit old books. You can do that in the school office. You can leave it at the gate. If you have old books or anything you would like to give, please you can do that at the gate in school.
Good morning, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am. Thanks.
Yes.
Good morning, ma'am.
Yes.
Krisha Chabra's mother.
Yes, tell me.
You had sent a note for the submission, but that duration, I just have got up from my vaccination. I was completely ill. So now when I go to, add the note there for the submissions, it's already showing me Father's Day work, which is being sent on that view submission.
Okay, but actually you have to submit it together. You have to click and submit it together.
Oh.
But we have given you a link also to help you submit. But if you have not submitted this week, we are giving you a chance to submit it at the weekend. You can do so.
The absentee note.
The absent note as well. Yes.
Okay. Perfect. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Anyone else?
Hello, ma'am. Good morning.
Yes.
First of all, thank you to all the teachers and the school for whatever efforts you're taking and to continue the academic year. So thank you for that. There is one request, if it is possible. Like currently, we are having the sessions every alternate day. So is it possible that we can have it every day covering one subject? I mean, if it is feasible.
We are not having the virtual meets every alternate day. We are having it every day. We are having it every day for us class teachers as well as the subject teachers are taking the days, the days we are not taking. So the virtual meets are being held every day. It's not every alternate day. Okay, so we
yes. 5 days for covering each subject if it is feasible. We are having it every day, like Tuesdays we have it for karate and PT, and then we also have computer singing. So if it is feasible to cover every at least one subject each day, though we have it every day virtual meet. So if it is feasible, I mean, just a suggestion actually.
Okay, we look into it definitely.
Yeah, thank you, ma'am. Also, one more thing. I mean, if it is feasible to have some kind of a dictation test or something per week, like every week, maybe for
Yes,
10
we
minutes or
will
15
be
minutes?
planning. We will be planning activities for your children. We'll be having mental math. We'll be having dictation. We'll be having quizzes for the children. So we will be planning things for your children. We have just begun. So we are working on that as well. So regular dictations, mental math, and activities will be there regularly. We'll be
Sure,
keeping
sure.
aside some time for that.
Sure. Thank you. Thank you, ma'am.
You're welcome. Anyone else would like to say something?
Hello, ma'am. Good morning. This is Johnny, Jenny's father.
Yes.
I know you all have sent a common link for the classes which are held on Monday, Thursdays, and Fridays. So, can we have a similar common link for the ones on Tuesdays and Wednesdays?
Yes, so
The
we will
subject
be
teacher.
yes, the subject teachers will be having the same link for their subjects as well. So when they will share with you all, they will inform you regarding the same. So they will have the same link.
Okay. Okay. Thank you.
Starting the month of July, we will be following that.
Okay.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Okay, one question, ma'am. For the classes which are being conducted for students, since I have 3 kids in different classes and 2 different schools, is it possible for the teachers to give a PDF of what is being taught in the class or what is being covered in the class? Because it will help me revise them during the, after us, because they have different schedules and they are in different schools. So for me to cope with the timings, they are not able to tell me exactly what all was covered. They just tell it in bits and pieces, which makes it difficult for me to help them revise.
Right. We are doing that, but we are sending the PDFs of the lessons that we are teaching on the virtual days. We have been sending it.
Okay, so this will continue like for all the sessions, all
Maybe
the
not the
subjects.
entire explanation of the lesson, but we will definitely send PDFs of the work done in the form of notes, fill in the blanks, so that you enable you to know what you've done that day.
Yeah, that is enough, ma'am. That is enough.
We will
Thank
be
you.
sending.
Hello, good morning.
Yes.
This is Sai Ashok Tonde's mother. If children get homework for every subject for every week, they will be practicing it every week, I think, in this way. So if it is possible, please send some homework every week so that the students will be busy and they will keep revising all the things.
We are doing that, but we are sending them every day. We have been sending them something to do in the form of writing or reading. We have been doing that every day from the time we have started. I think we have been doing that.
Okay, but they don't need to submit it every week. That's why it may be missing, I think.
No, that is what you have to follow up with your child at home, that she's doing the work that we send.
Yes, we are following, but see, when you keep check on it, it will be better for them because more other than they respect teachers more compared with parents, and they always used to follow whatever teacher saying them.
Yes, we will be asking. Yes, miss, say.
Yes, miss, I was just saying that we did not ask for any written work from them right now is because they didn't have their books and they will need some time to complete it. That's the reason. And then if we had to ask, then it would have again come from that side that miss has sent and they had not completed in their fair books. That's why we have given them time. And from this weekend on, we'll be asking for submission. So I think they will keep a track of it, of what work they are doing.
Okay, thank you.
This is Intia Bharmal's mother.
Yes.
Ma'am, I would like to also request you to check their nails and hair oil, every week. I understand that, now the kids are growing, they are making the things quite fashionable, the girls are there, and I really request you guys to whatever checks you are having in school, ask them to cut their nails and put oil in their hair. I really request you.
To be more disciplined. Yes, we will do that. That's a good point. We will definitely take it into action and see that they show us their nails every Monday, probably.
Yeah,
we will do that. We will do that.
Thank you, sir.
Good morning, teachers. Good morning, dear parents.
Good morning, Miss Kadem.
Good morning.
Good morning, Miss.
Very good morning, and so happy to see all of you.
We are
All
also
the
happy to
happy
see Miss
faces
Claudette
have
you're
made
here.
my
Good morning, teacher.
Like to see all of you on screen. Why are your cameras off? We're getting a very rare chance to meet each other, see each other. Why your cameras are off? We want to see you. Yes, so happy to see all of you. A warm welcome, dear parents. New academic year 21, 22. Yes, see so much more better when we see all of you on screen, right?
Same here. We also miss you.
Same here, as the kids are saying, Miss, we miss school, we miss school. School is not school, dear parents, without the children. Honestly, we're missing all of them each day. And I hope and pray that God brings us back soon. Till then, you are our communicators. Are you there for us?
Yes.
Yes.
So we
Yes,
work
ma'am.
together for our children. How many of you are there with us? Let us work on the same platform only for our children, nothing else, really. We have started having our PTMs. This is our first PTM. Teachers, have you finished sharing everything with them?
Yes, Miss.
Yes?
Yes,
Marking
Miss.
system?
Yes, Miss.
Parents, I was listening to some of your queries. It's nice that you share with teacher. So we are there to help you out and to help children. If you do not communicate with us, we don't know what's happening that side and we don't know what's happening this side, right?
Yeah.
Miss, your
Ma'am, your
voice is breaking.
Miss,
Your voice
Miss
is
Claudette,
breaking.
your mic is off.
Mute. You are on mute.
Sorry.
Hi, Jala.
Good morning. You all did not hear me so long.
no, we heard Miss only the 1 minute.
We heard you, but in between, yeah, after the thumbs up, you went blank.
Okay. I said it's so nice to see you and we work on the same platform. I'm happy that you are communicating with the teachers and teachers communicate with me. The management and staff, we are doing our best for our children. We do not want them to miss out on anything because there is no school. Let them not take it negatively. Let them take it positively. Yes, we don't have school does not mean teacher is sending one video, khatam ho gaya for the whole day. No. Teacher is making that video with so much of love and bringing it to the level of the child with her own voiceover. So Monday to Friday, teacher sends things related to you and your child. Saturday, Sunday, teacher also has homework. What is the homework? Answering all the queries of 50 parents in her class. So there's no break for teachers as well. Some of you feel that what is the teacher doing? In the last 3 days, I have been meeting parents who had come to school to buy the books and the uniform. And thank you to all of you who really appreciate and look at the positive side of the pandemic. Don't say, okay, miss, this is not happening, that is not happening, that is not happening. Think of what is happening. Other things which are happening. There are challenges each day. Every one of us here on the screen right now has been through some challenge. Firstly, we have to thank God. I think Miss must have said the prayer for a gift of life that we are sitting here. There are so many parents, so many children who are not with us today. What is the use of all the money and all the effort and all the earnings that we have? What is the use of it? Because we appreciate that we are blessed with the gift of life each day. And each day will come with a challenge and a new challenge. We won't have what we had yesterday. We may have something worse, we may have something better, but that depends on how we take it, dear parents. So let us look at things positively. When you look at things positively, you share that positivity among your in your homes. You have nana, nani, dada, dadi, auntie, uncle, all at home. Parents are telling me we are not supposed to correct them because the grandparents are there, the aunties are there. Yes, but there is a time they have to learn discipline. I eat at this time, I sleep at this time, I get up for my virtual meet at 8:20. I'm so happy to see them when I log in with teachers. Some of them are with uniform, hairdo, book, pencil. Good morning, miss. Good morning, miss. I'm so happy to see their teachers and learn something. I want them to be that way. I don't want just to be promoted to the next class like you have seen. Some of you have not done any submissions, 1 or 2 in a class.
They've not asked about the fees. They've not attended virtual meetings. They've done nothing. But they've gone to the next class. I don't want that with our kids. We are taking every effort to see what we could give in school. We're trying to do it virtually. And only you can help us to do that, dear parents. How much ever we try, if you are not our communicator, our children will not move ahead. We'll just be going into another year. I see kids getting up in the morning, parent is just in her night suit sitting in front of she's doing her hair. Good morning, miss. What is that child going to learn? All of you are looking so beautifully. Why are you all dressed up today? I don't see your children so neat and clean and happy in the screen. We have one or two miss teachers will agree with me who are sitting in their night suit. I'm not blaming the child at all. When they're in class, we can get across to them. But when they're at home, who's responsible for them? Mamas, you are our first teachers. And our mothers were our first teachers as well. So it comes straight from mama. What mama does at home, I'm going to do at home. So a kind request to you, teach your children discipline, timetable. Even if you don't go to school, does not mean you can sleep at any time, eat at any time, homework at any time, play at any time, laze around any time. No, follow the timetable given by teacher, the virtual meets, the submissions, and only you at home can keep an eye on them as to what they're doing. They can tell us so many things, but I'm sad because they do not get that help. I do understand many parents have started working, and that's why we have started having our classes early in the morning. Last year we had it in 3 batches. So there were parents who had 2 or 3 kids, like I heard a parent just saying that. But now we have 1,000 kids to see too. And 80% of our parents have started working. So we finish with our class in the morning. Looking at it, the parent can continue with their work or go to their workplace after that. So morning time, try and give that time to your child. See that she's ready on time. See that your books are there. As some of you were asking for dictation just now. Ma'am, we cannot take dictation online. I'm having parents writing their homework and submission and giving it. Imagine me dictating, all of them will get 100 on 100. So these kind of activities would be there. But we have to see to how could we get, we don't want to teach our children to cheat and get that. And we cannot see that. Some of the kids put the camera off and they're doing so many things. Although I have told the teachers, virtual class would be with all cameras on. We don't know what the child is doing behind the camera. We don't know if the child is sitting there as well. Sometimes the parent has put it on and gone. Child is sleeping. Do I blame the child for that? No. These are your few responsibilities. That's why we are having PTA meetings, PTMs, so that you will help teacher and help us to help your child on the same platform. Yes, I'm not saying we are perfect, but we are trying our best in every form. I've met quite a few parents in the last 3 days. I've asked them their feedback. We are working on new things. We have had challenges of the last year. I want to thank all the parents who have been really, really supportive to us. Because you were supportive, we were able to get back to class today virtually. Otherwise, we would be left behind. You see children going to school, parents look at the positive side. You don't have to get up, rush, have a bath. Where's your uniform? Where's your shoes? Where's your tiffin? Rickshaw man is left and gone. Bus is left and gone. Oh, it's raining. Where's your raincoat? It's so cold. Where's your sweater? All these things are not there for you right now. Do you have that? You get in class in the comfort of your home and at your time. Look at the positive side. Tell the child that. There's no rushing. There's no running. There's no time limit. But at the same time, discipline and timetable comes from us to you, and you will see that the child follows it. They are listening to us for that 1 hour, but after that 1 hour, they are totally yours. And yes, ma'am, as you said, some are not able to get onto the line or miss out on a virtual meet. Teachers are sending a PDF of whatever the child has missed out. So yes, if she's unwell for whatever reason, she misses class, teachers are following up with those kids. And I expect you also to cooperate with your teachers. If you want to send a note to me, you can send it to the teacher. You want to meet me at any time, send a note. I will give you a date and time as well, where I can meet you in school as well, but not all together. For whatever reason, But let us communicate, not come to the end of the year and say, Miss, I did not know this, this was not done, that was not done. Why wait for the end of the year? Another thing I want to bring to your notice, some parents were not aware of this last year. You were given time and you were given on the app that you could pay your fees in installments, right? I'm sure all of you knew that. There were many parents at the end of the year saying, Miss, I did not know this. I do understand everyone is going through a difficult time, but try and pay some amount of your fees. You can pay it in the bank or you can pay it on the app. If you're having a problem, clerical staff are in the office from 9 to 11:30 on Monday and Thursday. They can help you out in the office staff as well. So that in every line, whatever help you want, please just communicate with us. Let there not be a barrier. You that side, we this side, and end of the year, child has just gone to the next class. Just because we do not meet in school. But please, parents, these PTMs are going to be more often. You can share your ideas. If they are for the good of the child, we are very open to take your ideas and work for it. But if it's not feasible, for some reason, looking at the majority of kids, majority of parents, then you have to bear with us. Is there anything you would like to ask or you'd like to share? It can be something positive. It can be something which you didn't get or you wanted this year, or we can work on this year. We're always there to help out. You can share whatever you feel like. A PTM is a two-way. Not only you sit there and we keep talking this side. I was happy when I joined in. I didn't want to interrupt because there were some parents sharing whatever they felt like. Ms. Nikita is saying something. Ms. Kinchal, your audio is off. I can't hear you. Anyone would like to share? Or you have any idea? Or is there something that child has shared with you and you'd like to share? Yes, sir. Yes,
I
sir.
would like to talk.
Please.
First of all, I haven't got this chance to talk to all the teachers and principal last year, but this is the great chance to convey the feedback and message. Thanks a lot for all the teachers, principals of CNAS, the efforts and hard work that you all are putting in. It's like commendable. This is the first time situation for teachers,
Correct.
principal,
even
children and the parents, but you guys are superb. There's no words for this. Commendable job. So not even for the teachers, principal, and the staff behind the scene who are putting in all the PDF on the app. It's
Yes.
commendable job. Thanks a lot.
God bless you.
Thank you very much.
God bless you too. I like the line where you said it's something new and challenging for all of us. We've not been through this before either. It's something new for us. You ask a teacher to go to class, she can take 10 lessons a day. But we have to get techno-savvy and learn things to teach schools online. Yes. Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank
God bless you. Anyone else would like to share anything? It could be parents. It's nice to hear you. PTMs are for listening to you as well. I'm happy to see you, but I'll be more happy to hear one or two of you as well. Teachers, have they shared before? Teachers, have they?
Yes.
Some parents did.
If they had any queries, have you all noted it down according to the classes?
Yes.
So we can work on them together.
Yes.
And we
Good
stay
morning,
connected. Yes, Miss, you want to say something?
Yes, Miss. I'm Trisha Mehta's mother.
Yes.
I'm a new admission.
Okay. So you have lots to learn.
Yes, ma'am.
Welcome to St. Anne's.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Your St. Anne family is very cooperative. All the teachers are very cooperative, and all the doubts are satisfied on first day only.
You.
And I'm getting help from teachers whenever I ask them. Thanks a lot.
Okay.
Thank you, ma'am.
Dear parents, we'll stay connected on our school app. Yes. Let it not be till the next PTM. You are there, we are here. Work, I said, on the same platform only to see our children bloom. That's our only request to you. We'll meet more often, but till we meet, please stay connected on the school app. Stay safe, stay happy. We'll meet again soon.
Ma'am,
I'm happy.
one request.
Yes.
Is there any way I can speak to you separately, because this is specific to my kids because they're not in the country.
Yes,
So
I
we will
heard
not.
you on class 3 just now.
Yes.
And I spoke
Yes.
to you in class 3 just now.
Yes. So
maybe after
can I
all the
talk to?
parents meet, I can talk to you. After they all leave, you can stay back, I can talk to you.
Okay. Okay, ma'am.
You can stay back.
Good morning, ma'am. Once again,
Yes.
good morning. Actually, I've sent a message in the messages, but I just wanted to ask if I can donate all the uniforms what I have with me. They are in good shape, clean enough. So can I come on this Saturday and give it in the school?
Thank you for offering me that. There were quite a few parents who came up with this idea, and we just realized yesterday I spoke to the teachers. We had this in mind to help a few kids who cannot afford the books and who cannot afford uniform. But I don't know, this came to me yesterday. For the safety of our kids, ma'am, I wouldn't want to do that because I don't know from which home it is coming. I'm not specifying you, sorry. But if I say yes to you, I'd have to say yes to the entire primary school and the pre-primary school. So collecting uniforms and books in the school and then giving it out to someone else during this pandemic, I feel it's not a safe idea. Although I would love to help our children, which we do every year, helping out with books and uniform. But the parents who want to buy a new uniform or a books for, you can go ahead with it. But a second-hand set of books and uniform, you can surely understand why I'm saying that.
Right, right.
Thank you so much for helping out. Thank you. Thank you, dear parents. Have a good day ahead till we meet again virtually. Stay safe, stay happy.
Thanks, ma'am. Good day.
Thank you, ma'am.
Good morning and thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. Good morning and thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
You all can be parents. Thank you.